Wake up to reality. Women don't respect men who bend over backwards for them. They don't care about your feelings. They don't care if you waste your life chasing after them. If you chase a girl, that is a sign of low value. You show them that you have nothing better to do, that you're desperate, and that they have all the power. Men who win with women are men who make the woman chase them. And listen carefully to me. Women want a man who's detached from the outcome. Listen to that again. Women want a man who is detached from the outcome. I know that most guys out there are suffering right now. They have just been served with another round of breadcrumbs. She is playing with your feelings while you sit there like a fool waiting for her to choose you. I feel sorry for those guys because they have wasted so much time and energy on someone who doesn't even think about them as a serious boyfriend. Many guys spend 80% of their life chasing a girl, and guess what happens? They still end up alone. They never even get the girl they're chasing after. But the worst part is that they don't learn from their mistakes. So they keep doing the same thing over and over again. Let me tell you something. Women lose their mind over a man who doesn't play their games. A man who is detached from the outcome is a man who is difficult to get. A man who has standards. A man who knows his worth. A man who knows that he deserves more than just breadcrumbs. There is a certain type of man who attracts girls like magnets. They don't understand why they can't get that guy off their mind. These men live life on their own terms. They have standards. They have values. They have goals. And none of this is by accident. You see, most guys make the mistake of trying too hard. They think that if they just put in more effort, then everything will work out. But that is not how life works. You cannot force things to happen. And you certainly cannot force a woman to love you. Now, this might be hard to hear, but you need to wake up to reality. You need to detach from the outcome and stop chasing after her. When you do this, you will notice a dramatic shift in power. It's like a switch has been flipped. Suddenly, she is the one who is chasing after you instead of the other way around. That a lot of men out there are so brainwashed by society that they think that women should chase them, that women should throw themselves at them, that women should prioritize their feelings. But this is not how things work. In fact, this is a recipe for disaster. You will push her away. You will turn her off. You will destroy all chance of a future together. But it's okay because this is exactly what you want. Do not misunderstand it. I am not saying that you should intentionally sabotage yourself. I am not saying that you should purposely push her away. What I am saying is that you should detach from the outcome. You should not put your happiness and your well-being in the hands of someone else. You should not put your life on hold for someone else. You should not change who you are for someone else. Many people out there believe that love is all that matters. They think that if they just express their feelings, then everything will work out. But this is not true. Love is not the most important thing. In fact, it's not even the second most important thing. Love is not something that you should beg for. Love is something that you earn. Love is something that you deserve. And in order to earn it, you must first become worthy of it. You must first become the kind of man who can attract the kind of woman who you want to be with. You ever wondered why the best relationships are the ones where both people are having fun? Why do you think married couples who have been together for years still act like teenagers in love? Because they know the secret. They know how to keep the spark alive. They know how to keep each other interested. They know how to keep each other chasing. And it's not because they're lucky. It's because they have mastered the art of attraction. They have mastered the art of keeping someone interested. And here is the sad reality. Most men have no idea how to apply these principles in real life. They don't know how to make a woman chase them. They don't know how to keep a woman interested. They don't know how to keep the spark alive. And as a result, they end up alone. They end up bitter. They end up angry. But the truth is that they have only themselves to blame. They have chosen to ignore the most important aspect of human interaction. They have chosen to ignore the art of attraction. Now let me break it down for you. The reason why you are still thinking about her is because you have not done enough to hurt her ego. You have not done enough to make her realize that she has lost something special. You have not done enough. to make her feel like she has made a mistake. Think about it. You would not be thinking about her so much if she had treated you right. You would not be thinking about her so much if she had not ignored you, if she had not played with your feelings, if she had not led you on. But here is the good news. You have the power to change all of that. You have the power to make her regret her decisions. You have the power to make her realize that she has lost something special. You have the power to make her want you more than you want her. And all you have to do is walk away. Yes, it may be one of the hardest things that you will ever do in your life, but it will also be one of the most important things that you will ever do in your life. Because when you walk away, you will realize that you are not the one who needs her. She is the one who needs you. You will realize that you are the prize. And when she realizes that she has lost the prize, she will come back. She will come back, crawling. And when she does, you will not let her back in so easily. You will make her work for it. You will make her earn it. You will make her prove herself. And if she is worth it, then you will give her the love, the affection, and the attention that she has been craving for. But if she is not worth it, then you will simply let her go again. Because you will realize that you deserve more than just her empty promises. You deserve more than just her half-hearted apologies. You deserve more than just her fleeting attention. Do not misunderstand it. This is not about revenge. This is not about punishing her. This is about setting boundaries. This is about protecting yourself. This is about loving yourself. Because when you love yourself, you will not settle for less. You will not tolerate disrespect. You will not put up with games. You will walk away from anyone who does not treat you like the king that you are. Men who win with women are men who do not chase women. They are men who make women chase them. They are men who do not play games. They are men who play to win. Do not be a fool. Do not waste your time. Do not settle for less. Be a man who commands respect. Be a man who inspires admiration. Be a man who makes women chase him.